Hey, so I'm Leah. I'm a student of James's. Very non-traditional student because I am in my mid to late 30s and have a 4-year-old and a husband and a full-time job. Decided I wanted to apply for med school. I started studying and quickly realized that I was in over my head because while I was great with biology, I'm a nurse, the physics was terrible. Guys, there's a reason why I dropped that in high school, for sure. And I knew I needed help. I signed up for a prep website, which was just honestly a bit of a waste of money. And I was finding I was getting overwhelmed with all the stuff that you need to keep track of. So I found James online and set up a consult with him. And it was just amazing from there. I loved that he was able to really help me keep track of my progress, where I needed to be at what time, and I could just hand that over to him. I didn't need to stress about that part. His knowledge is incredible. Like, his brain is just such a beautiful, beautiful thing, and I learned so much from him. His focus on cars, I think, is really, really important because you may have the knowledge, but if you don't understand how to answer the questions on the test and why they're asked a certain way, you're not going to get anywhere. And he really focuses in depth on cars, and that was my highest scoring section. In the end, I actually ended up with a 510, which is amazing, on my first try, and I applied to University of Manitoba here just a couple weeks ago. So James is kind, he's patient, he's brilliant. I really can't think of anybody else that I would want to trust with teaching me such important things.